Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
For today's video, we are going to make grilled beef with chimichurri. We need 100 grams flat leaf parsley, 1 tablespoon rock salt, 1 head garlic minced, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon dried oregano leaves, a dash of white pepper, one-fourth cup vinegar, best with red wine vinegar, 1/4 cup olive oil, best with extra virgin olive oil, mason jar, spoon, measuring cup, knife and chopping board, parsley finely chopped. You may or not remove the stem part. Put the parsley, garlic, salt, chili flakes, dried oregano leaves, olive oil, and vinegar in a container. Just mix it all in. You can store this inside your refrigerator. Please see the description below for more storage information. We need 500 grams Sukiyaki cut beef, a drizzle of olive oil, of white pepper, a dash of paprika, salt according to your taste. Dry your Sukiyaki cut meat in a paper towel. Drizzle with olive oil. Add salt, white pepper, and paprika. Massage it to your meat. Grill the meat 5 to 7 minutes per side. Arrange the chimichurri on top of your grilled beef. There you have it. Enjoy grilled beef with chimichurri.
If you want me to be your culinary trainer, please see the description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.